Let us see complete setup and how to run the Hello World Servlet program. First, make sure that Java is installed on your machine. If Java is not installed, install it first. Before that, update your system, sudo apt update. Then type this command, sudo apt install openjdk21. In my system, JDK is already installed. After running this command, just verify whether Java is present or not using this command. Java compiler is installed. OpenJDK version 21 already installed on my machine. We are going to use Eclipse and Tomcat to run Servlet program. So let us download Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java web applications. Then click this first link. Linux users download this 64-bit versions. Windows users download this Windows version. Similarly, Tomcat 10 download. Go to this link, Tomcat Apache.org download 10.cgi. Scroll down to binary distributions. Inside that core, Linux users download this star.doget file. Windows users, you can select 64-bit Windows zip. I have already downloaded these files. Downloads, WT softwares. Open terminal here. Extract this star file using this command. Move this folder into OPT Tomcat 10. Verify that, go to other locations, Ubuntu, OPT. Now we have this Tomcat 10. In this, you can see startup.sh, shutdown.sh. To start the Tomcat, we have to run this file. To shut down the Tomcat, we have to run this file. So we have to make these two files executable. Give the execute permissions. You can do that by using this command, sudo chmod +x opt tomcat bin start.sh. Means all sh files will get the executable permissions. If you see this kind of error, type this command ls-ld opt tomcat 10. Here you can see this tomcat 10 is there inside this opt, but only root can access this. But here Govardhan is the user. This user should get the access. If you are not sure with your username, you can type who am I. So we need to give the permission for this user. Use this command to give the permissions to this user Govardhani. Sudo ch1 -r Govardhani Govardhani opt tomcat 10. Again run this command. To start the Tomcat, we need to run this startup.sh, which is inside opt tomcat 10 bin. Opt tomcat 10 bin startup.sh. Tomcat is started. We can access by typing localhost 8080. Server is up and running. To stop this, we have to run the shutdown.sh file. Tomcat is stopped. If you refresh this page, unable to connect means Tomcat is stopped. Extract this Eclipse here. Open this folder. Inside this you can see this Eclipse application. Run this. This is the default Eclipse workspace. Just keep it as it is. Go to File menu, New, Select this dynamic web project, project name, type hello world. Here you can see runtime, create new runtime, Apache. We have downloaded Apache Tomcat 10.1. Select this, create new local server, click next. Tomcat installation directory. We have installed the Tomcat in OPT. Go to other locations, computer, OPT, Tomcat. Click finish. Click this restore icon. You can see Project Explorer. Now let us see just how to run the Hello World program. Inside this Hello World project, go to src, main, Java. Right click here, go to new, and here we do not have Servlet option. Go to other, web. You can see Servlet here. Select this and click next. Pass name, give hello world, which is extending this HTTP servlet. Click finish. This is auto generated code. We don't need all these methods. Just remove everything except doGet method. Set the content type. Text HTML. Get the print writer to write the response. Here we are getting error. Import this print writer. By using this out object, we can write the response to the buffer. Now dot print HTML body, close the body tag. H1, welcome to servlets. Close the H1 tag. This is simple Hello World program. To deploy this Hello World project on Tomcat, go to this project Hello World, right click, run as, inside that run on server. Click here, choose existing server. Here we have Tomcat. Select this and click finish. Tomcat server started. Type localhost 8080. Now you can see the output. This is the application name and this is the URL pattern. You can see URL pattern here. Hello all.